What's popping everyone, Markus is coming back at you with another video. As you might have seen from the title, we are going to do one more of our 1 minute video. Today the topic will be lookalike audiences in Facebook advertising. So stay tuned throughout this video to know more about that in just 1 single minute. So lookalike audience is basically an audience which looks like something else. So when you have a lookalike audience, you take some data from your Facebook pixel or you upload a customer file and then you make a lookalike audience based on that data that your Facebook pixel is having. So let's say you have a conversion on your store which is view content or purchases or add to cart. You can then take all of those purchases from your whole store and make a lookalike audience based on 1% of the whole US population or the whole world and stuff like that. And then you can go ahead and target more specifically to people who look like people who have already purchased from your store or who have added to your store and stuff like that. This works great when you make an Instagram shout out, and this way you can use the data that you get from the shout out for your Facebook pixel, make a lookalike audience, and this way you can go ahead and target your Facebook ads when starting off with Facebook ads a lot better than without any data. So that was just 1 minute about lookalike audience. There will be more videos about lookalike audience and Facebook advertisement on the channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the like and notification bell to always be up to date with the videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.